till I get my money right. Ooh, look at the Ferrari. Ooh, shee. Morning. That's amazing, lovely. Have a great day, thank you. Let's get that caffeine. That's it. Enjoy the weather. It's nice one today. Oh, full valet on it.
Cheers, mate, thank you.
Hyundai Ioniq complete. Back at the watering hole. Second car of the day. Maintenance clean on this Audi. Beautiful car. It's not too sad on the interior. We're going to get this looking fresh. Let's go. There we go, that is this Audi looking fresh. Job number 3, full valet on this Mercedes. Definitely needs a good clean. Interior is not too sad though. Yeah, we'll get it looking brand new. So that is this Mercedes complete, full valet, looking brand new. Back here again.
Seems like we live here.
Definitely feels that way. Final job of the day on this Mini. Beautiful view here, quite a lovely place to be, but it definitely needs a valet. Oh, especially over the back. I'll get this looking fresh. There we go. Final fill up of the day.